This is an inventory management system with POS that will enable you to manage inventory, that's sales, purchases, customers, invoice, receiving payment. You don't need a computer, a personal computer. If you have a computer, it's okay. But if you don't have a computer, it's okay too. It's something that you can do with your mobile phone. Very, very easy for any small business, any big business. We are going to go through the features now. You can use your mobile phone to do everything. Yes, I said it. You can use your mobile phone to do everything. It's an inventory management system with POS. Very, very sophisticated and very, very easy to use. And the beautiful thing about it is that even if you don't have a POS machine, you can still use this thing perfectly and send invoice via WhatsApp to your customer. When you download the invoice for a PDF invoice, you can still send it to your customers. So we are going to be looking at the features of this as a good look. You see as the dashboard. And the beautiful thing, another thing is that you can manage different branches. You can have 10 branches, you can have 20 branches. Let's, for instance, if you are into cosmetics, and at the same time you are selling tires, at the same time you are into provision shop, at the same time you are selling men's shop, or you have different branches in Ojota, in Lagos, in Onitsha, in Accra, in Tamale, in Kasua, anywhere you have branch, you can still incorporate it there, and it will still go. Take a look at the interface of the management system. This is the dashboard. You see the sales, and then you see the purchases, you see the returns, and you see the top selling products, and then you see the stock alert. What stock alert means is that, okay, maybe you will set it that when the product, the number of the product gets to 3, or gets to 2, or gets down to 2, or gets down to 3, that the system should alert you, or the system should notify you. When you talk about stock alert, when you scroll down, you see alert quantity. I set it to be 3. When it comes to alert quantity, so this product is now gone to 3. So, and the top selling products, like the one I'm using as a demo, you can see the top selling products that is there, the graphics and the recent sales and everything. So let's quickly jump into this. But like I say, this is a management system that you can use comfortably. You can use it. In fact, you will use it with your mobile phone. There is no need for you to get a computer. And the good thing about it is it's a cloud-based software. What I mean by a cloud-based is that anywhere you are, you don't need to install any app. You don't need to, anywhere you are, you can access it. And the good thing about it is that even you can have your holiday, you can go anywhere you want, and every cell, if they're making sale in different branches of yours, or if they're making sale in your shop, you will be seeing the sale. If they're entering it, you'll be seeing it live as it enters. So let's quickly jump into the features. And I'm going to show you good features that it has, at least 10 good features. Okay, then you click on the three buttons here. When you click on the 3 dash buttons, then it will give you the features. When you click here, the first feature is products. Then the first features is products. You have to create product. When you create product or product, you print label, you can store, you create your category. Maybe you're running a provision store, you have the beverage, you have the liquor, you have every section of what you are doing. So then you have adjustment. What adjustment means is a feature that maybe after adding like a 5 product that you have, your stock is 5, then you can adjust it to 6, you can adjust it to 7, you can adjust it upwards, or you can adjust it downward. Then the quotation, peradventure somebody wants to get something and say, oh, I need a quotation for these things I'm buying, then you can quickly make a quotation and send to the person via email. You are not going outside this management app. You are still going to send the mail with this management app, as in sending mail with this management app after doing the quotation. Yes, then the purchases. Just for a venture that you've gone market to buy goods, maybe you send goods from China, or you are in Accra, Ghana, you send goods from Nigeria, then you have to put in the goods that you send from Nigeria, or the goods you send to from Accra, or you send from China, so that the system can automatically be able to calculate your profit and loss. Maybe for a venture there's miscellaneous like shipping, transportation, the money you spend bringing the way bill, the money you spend bringing the goods and the products down to your shop and everything. The system has this thing for you to add all those things. Then the sales are there for you to create sales, all sales, POS and shipment. Yeah, it's a very, very beautiful app. And I'm just trying to give an overview. Later, if you demand, I will be giving you the details of every feature and how you can use every feature to achieve whatever you want to achieve. And then we'll talk about purchase return. These are purchase return. Maybe after somebody must have purchase something or that the person return it, or you, when you purchase something from Lagos or when you purchase something from wherever you purchase it, when you return it, the system will automatically capture that. Then you talk about the HRM. That's the company, the department, the destination, office shift. Maybe your workers, they are on shift. You have the morning shift, you have the afternoon shift, then you have the night shift. All these things can be calculated. Even the holiday, the attendance, you want your workers to be anybody that comes in, the person will click in. Or the system manages everything. Destination, office shift, employee, attendance, leave a request, holiday, payroll. The system manages the payroll. Everything about your business. Everything about your business at a glance. This management system manages it. Then the transfer, you create a transfer. That means that all your account details, all your accounts can be managed from this singular system. And accounting, if you want to go into accounting, is make it as into detail accounting. You have to list your accounting, transfer money, create expenses, all expenses, create deposit, list deposit, expense category. These are full functional accounting system. It's a system that is holistic. It's almost 5-in-1 system because it's a POS, it's an inventory management. You can use it for HRM, you can use it for accounting. This is a holistic a management system. Then you talk about the people. Your customers, your suppliers, and the users. One good thing, very, very important, one good thing about it is that, nowadays, a lot of sales boys, sales ladies, whenever they make sales, they will record it or they will dodge the money. But this system will capture it. The first thing the person will do is to put in every stock. The items, what I mean by the stock is the number of items or number of the product you have in your shop or in your warehouse. When you put it on, then even if you are on holiday, even if you are not around, or even if the shop is not where you are located, and there is a sale, and the salesperson just log in and put in, there is a sale. We just sold one this thing. He just put it in on the POS that he sold one. The person cannot be able to delete it again. The person cannot be able to alter it. Because it has what they call user role. User role are the privileges. The privileges given to the users. You, as the full admin, you will have all the privileges. But your sales people will have the only access to the POS. That means only access to selling. They will not have access to see your profit. They will not have access to see your cost price. They will not have access to see your daily sales. Not the only access they will have is only to sell. Even if you have an accountant and the accountant is doing this thing, the accountant will have his own area that he's seeing or she's seeing. So this system is a total package that you can create user privilege. You can create user privilege to everybody that is working with you there, but you will have all the privileges. Then when you come to setting, you have the system setting, like now, this is my logo because I created it. You can put in your own logo, you can send email, you can send SMS, you can send you can modify your POS setting, so you can put in your gateway, that payment gateway, the Momo, your bank account, and everything. That is what they call group permission. You can group people by group people. Maybe these are the sales people, or these the accounting people, and then all these things. These are then currency. You can change all the currency that pertain to your country. Like if you're in Ghana, you can change to cedis. You can, like here, you can see I created this thing. I put in cedis, I put in naira, and I put in dollars. Maybe if you're in Cameroon or if you're in South Africa, you have the system. When you can put in the currency of your location. That's the beautiful thing about it. Then when it comes to reporting, this is very, very beautiful. This gives more than 15 reports, and the reports are very, very genuine and authentic. What I mean by genuine and authentic is that you don't need the printer. That's what I'm saying. You don't need the printer. You can download the report via CSV, that's Excel, or PDF. The report can be sent to you with here on the mail that you specify. The report can send to you automatically. You have the report of, you can send the report of payment. You can send the report of, or you can view the report of profit and loss. Okay, let's say if you click on profit and loss report, when you click on profit and loss report, it will generate the profit and loss for what you are looking out for. Then you can equally select the period or the time you are looking out for. You can select the time frame. Maybe you are looking at from April till May, or from first quarter, January till 30th of March. You can select that. Then you can select the profit of each of the branches that you have. You can just click on the, like now, this is a Ghana Circle shop. You can just click, and then when you click on the Circle shop, or then you click on the dates that you want the report to come out from. Maybe you want report from of the first quarter of 2025. That means from January to this thing. You just put in the date that you want the report, and everything will give you the report. The report of everything will just come out. Then when the report comes out, you can print it out via Excel, that's a CSV format or PDF format. You can print it out via PDF format. Then you can print inventory valuation. What it means is that what you have, inventory valuation, what you have. Then like when you talk of AOC 32 gig is stock at hand, it's 6P6. So this calculates everything. These are the report. It can bring out deposit report, expense report, product quality, quantity alert, warehouse report. Like what it means by warehouse report are your branches. Maybe you want the report of your shop at Ojota, or your shop at Kumasi, Ghana, or your shop at Kaswa, or your shop at Seko, or your shop at East Lagos, or your shop. You can get report on each of the warehouse or each of the branch, right? So you have the sales report, product report, product sales report, purchase report, product purchase report. So these are beautiful. These are the reports. You can equally get the report of the users, right? The user's report. That means when the user log in and when the user, what activity the user, because you are the one that created the user, what activity the user has done or did. Then when you go to the POS proper, this is the POS. When you click on the POS, you will see the POS interface. Then when you see the POS interface, you can click and go to which shop do you want to. Okay, let's say I want Kaswa shop. You click on the Kaswa shop, the shop that you want to. Then you come down here. I'm talking about using phone, because a lot of you are used to people telling you of laptop and everything. Because one, you have to buy a laptop, which will cost you money. Two, you have to buy the POS machine, which will cost you more money. But here, with only your phone, Android or iOS, anywhere you are in the world, because this is cloud-based. You don't need to install the app. This is cloud-based. Okay, let's assume that your shop name is Obi Jackson. You will get www.obijackson.com. When you enter that Obi Jackson on any of the browsers, be it Brave, be it Chrome, any browser, you get it. You have an interface of login. When you have an interface of login, then you put in your username and the password, then it will log you into your system, your management system, which you can manage all your business in one place. As in, you will know how much you are making every day. You will know how much you are making weekly. You will know how much you are making monthly. You will know how much you are making quarterly. You will know how much you've made last 6 years if you put in the data. This system will give you everything that you've made. Okay, let's say that somebody comes to buy this Dell Latitude. The only thing you need to, after making the sale, the person is there, then you click on this thing. It will enter. Okay, it has entered the product, and it's 4,200 cedis. So if the person is buying more than one, you can increase the quantity or decrease the quantity. If the person is buying one or two or three, or you can increase or decrease the quantity, right? And after doing that, then you go down. If there is a discount, if you're running a discount, you can also add the discount here. If there is an extra tax, you have to add the tax here. If the person is not even around and say, okay, delivery, or the person wants you to deliver the shipment, you can add the cost of the shipment. And then after everything, and the customer name is working customers. Then after everything, if peradventure, because you are using a phone, if peradventure that the thing is not listed, maybe you have 1,000 products and they are not listed immediately, you can go on list of category. Maybe you want beverage, or you want liquor category. You can go to liquor category and type in whatever you want. And immediately you are typing, it's autocomplete. It will complete it and bring out the product you are looking out for. When it brings out the product you are looking out for, the only thing you need to do is just to click on the product. You can search by code. You can search by scan, because every product, when you are entering it, will have a barcode, what they call a barcode, because the system will automatically generate a barcode for every product. So you see, the only thing you need to do after recording it, after putting in the product the person is buying, maybe the person is buying 2 or 1, you put in 1. Then when you put in 1, you come down and say pay now. When you click on pay now, you will get alert that it has been, okay, you see, everything has been calculated for you. Working customer, 4,200 Ghana cedis and everything. So then the only thing you need to do, if the person is paying cash, if the person is using transfer, you have to put in there. If the person is using Momo, you have to put in there. So, but here I put in cash. Then the only thing that you have to do is to click on submit. right? When you click on submit, wow, there you see the system has already generated a receipt for that. When is this receipt now, basically because of the paper size, you can go on paper size and choose the paper size you want, and the paper size is always A6. So when you go, you choose on ISO A6. Okay, you see, this is the cell we have made, and if the person is there, you can just click on save as PDF, or click here to download as PDF. When you download it as PDF, then you can send to the person via WhatsApp. So this is a holistic inventory management system with POS, with HRM, with CRM, customer relation management, with HRM, So this is it. It's a complete, but if you want a feature by feature functionality, how you can be able to a feature by feature functionality, just DM me or send me a message so that I can send you the video on how you can do this, maybe how you can add the purchase, or how you can add the product, or how you can, but this is an overview. I don't know why you have not gotten this investment or this inventory management system. Do you want your money to be losing? Do you want to be losing your money? Maybe your sales girls or your sales boys. Things are hard these days. That people are not honest. Maybe there's still a lot of shops have closed down because of those because of what the sales people have been doing. They will sell and they will not see the money. But with this system, you can be able to checkmate everything that they are doing. Whether you don't need to always be coming to the shop, but you need to come to the shop. But if you have a holiday, go for a holiday. If you have a funeral to attend, go for funeral to funeral. Anywhere you want to go enjoy your family, enjoy with your friends, enjoy your children. Wherever you are, you can be able to monitor whatever that is happening in your shop, in your branches, in your warehouse, whatever that is happening. You can see it as in life. If they're making sale, you are seeing it. Why not ask for the price? And I tell you, the price is the cheapest. If I give you a price and they see it anywhere, don't buy from me. If you DM and the price, you can get it cheaper from anywhere. Don't take my word for anything. I'm giving the cheapest price in Accra. I'm giving the cheapest price in Nigeria. The cheapest price, that including installation, including the overall installation and everything, that you have your own system, including the domain, including the hosting, including everything. The cheapest you can get, and I'm saying it anywhere. And the good thing about this our system is that you pay once and use forever. There is no subscription. You pay once you make payment, you use it forever. You use it as long as you are making business, you use it forever. You pay once and use forever. There is no monthly subscription, there is no yearly subscription. It's only one payment and you use it forever. And the payment is checking money, very, very small money. If you're not using this system, what are you using? Do you want to be losing money? Or some people that might be every month they are calculating, how much did I make? How much profit did I make? You don't need to break it. You don't need to hire an accountant. I'm sorry for the accountants though, but you don't need to hire an accountant for you to manage your business. You don't need to have a manager. The only manager you have is this system. He can manage everything. The accounting is perfect. Everything you need to know. Everything from profit, from purchase to sales, from everything you need to do just in one system. So DM and ask for the price. And like I said, if you see the price extra, don't take my word for anything. So what are you waiting for? Just DM now and get your own